who is or what is value stream management within SAFe.
Perfect.
So some organizations have, if you like, appointed value stream managers as an individual role. And that might work in a smallish size organization. Within SAFe, we believe that value stream management is actually a crucial function that needs to be done with business owners, product management, and architect. So system architect working together, and the RTE, sorry, working together as one. And they will have different perspectives, they will bring different viewpoints, and also they are the group of individuals and collectively as a team, if you like, who are best placed to resolve systemic issues that will be arising as a result of the way that the team is working. That could be through the need to reorganize the team, in other words, carry on and do a value stream and agile release train identification workshop. It may be other policy constraints that are limiting the ability of the team to deliver, and they will need sponsorship within the organization to change those because we now know better. So that's the value stream management. So where does the coordination happen? The coordination happens within the team of agile teams that are working as an agile release train, working within a value stream. And that coordination is primarily the responsibility of the release train engineer, the RTE, but every team member and every team is got a vested interest in ensuring that that happens. And then we got coordination points and events, if you like, that ensure that that coordination is happening as effectively and seamlessly as possible. Potentially starting with a PI planning, when everybody understands the business context. Why are we doing this? What business results we want to achieve, and what is the needle we want to move, that, and then moving to what is it within the product that we want to move within this, if you like, what's the product increment that we want to achieve within this PI, and why is that? And of course, these are all a wish list, because the product management will present what they would like to happen, but the teams will decide what is actually possible to happen. So in the PI planning, so we get that alignment and we coordinate to say, okay, how are we as a team of teams going to achieve these objectives? And we write the PI objectives individually as a team, and also the agile release train PI objectives that as a team we all commit to. So that's the coordination, if you like, the initial of the coordination by aligning behind a set of objectives. And then we've got our iterative events, if you like, the PO sync and the Scrum Master syncs, or when we do it together as the art sync, in other words, the product owners and the Scrum Masters come together and they are answering the question, are we on track in achieving the goals of this PI? And if not, what can we do about it? Have we got knowledge right now that we didn't have at the beginning, which means some of the objectives are no longer possible to achieve, in which case we let the relevant people know? Or it's just a question of some impediments that have come up and we need to address them and remove them. That's one part of it. The other part of it is, well, what's coming downstream? What should we be going after next? So we got both of those views, say, what is currently happening? Are we on track? And what is coming down the line? And what sort of coordination is needed and alignment is needed on that? When is the right time to start to understand what's coming down wider within the teams, as opposed to just product management having some ideas of what the future steps are going to be? So long way to answer. Coordination within the teams, primarily responsibility of the RTE, who ensures that all the coordination and alignment events are happening, and teaches the team and the Scrum Masters and the product owner and product management about their roles to ensure that that alignment and coordination happens.